Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. CM Jairam Thakur said, every possible efforts to make the next phase of vaccination successful. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said on Thursday that the government is taking all possible steps to make the next phase of vaccination for COVID-19 successful. The vaccination program will be planned in detail. It will be announced in due time so that slots can be available and people are vaccinated in a smooth and disciplined manner. Educational institutions closed till May 10. Only 20 people will attend the wedding. Ban on mass feast. Restrictions issued by Himachal Pradesh State Disaster Management Cell have been extended till May 10. This decision was taken in a meeting held on Thursday to deal with the situation of COVID. 15 crore rupees will be given to each district. Educational institutions in Himachal will remain closed till May 10. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said that students cannot be called in schools and colleges right now. Earlier, it was decided to keep the educational institutions closed till May 1. ECHS card holders will now be able to submit medical bills by 31st July. In view of the increasing cases of corona, the Ministry of Defence has extended the period of submission of medical bills of ECHS card holders suffering from critical illness. Now, any ex-servicemen or their dependents with serious illness can buy medicines by July 31st and submit their medical bills to the ECHS hospitals. Earlier, this facility was available only till 28 February. Himachal Cooperative Bank fined 40 lakhs for breaking NABARD's rule. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a penalty of Rs 40 lakh on State Cooperative Bank Shimla for breaking the rules of NABARD. The RBI reviewed the guidelines for monitoring and reporting NABARD fraud cases. RBI observed that the bank did not comply with the guidelines of NABARD's fraud-related cases. Advocating not to increase electricity rates in corona crisis, Electricity Regulatory Commission online public hearing. Amid the corona crisis in Himachal Pradesh, there has been a demand not to raise electricity rates this year. On Wednesday, the State Electricity Regulatory Commission has also held an online public hearing. About 24 stakeholders joined it. The industrialists, while citing economical difficulties, made the Commission aware of their problems. The teachers under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary will solve the cases. The cases of teachers of government schools and colleges in Himachal Pradesh will now be resolved under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary Anil Khanchi. The government has constituted an 11-member high-level committee fulfilling the budget announcement of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur. Additional Chief Secretary Finance, Personal, Law and Education has been made a member. Live classes will also start in government schools of Himachal Pradesh. Live classes will also start soon in Himachal Pradesh government schools. It will start from schools with ICT labs on the lines of private schools. Soon, students of government schools will also study through Google Meet or Zoom app. Education Secretary Rajiv Sharma has issued instructions to the education directors to explore possibilities in this regard. Preparations for promotion of first and second year students in colleges. Due to the corona crisis, preparations have been started to promote the first and second year students of colleges for the second consecutive year. The Director of Higher Education has asked for suggestions from all the college principals till 2 p.m. on Thursday. Principals have asked what is the basis of this if the students have to promote the result without exam. Suggestions have also been sought on the admission process. Apart from this, the method of conducting the last year exams and final year examination has also been asked. Anurag Thakur sent 50 oxygen cylinder for Hamirpur. Union Minister of State for Finance Anurag Thakur has sent about 50 oxygen cylinders to Hamirpur. They cost Rs 20 lakh. They are housed in the COVID care center at NIT Hamirpur. Top officials of the district administration and health department has consulted Anurag Thakur on telephone last evening regarding the status of COVID and oxygen. ADM Jitendra Sanjita and CMO Hamirpur Dr. R.K. Agnihotri were also present. Insurance premium of thousands of rupees and compensation received only 15 paise. In Himachal Pradesh, the insurance company gave a compensation of only 15 to 75 paise to the gardeners after deducting an insurance premium of 1000 of rupees. On the damage caused by bad weather in one garden, one weather center of the insurance company showed the damage and the other did not. In this way, there is a big mess in Himachal Pradesh in the name of crop insurance scheme. Farmers will get 40% grant on maize seed. There is a relief for farmers in COVID period. This time too, maize seed will be given to the farmers with 40% grant. Apart from this, subsidy is also being given on cherry and millet. The Agriculture Department has reached Solan with the seeds of millet including maize and cherry, which is due by the second week of May. It will be distributed to all agricultural centers in the district. Single cross maize seed is given in the market for Rs 105. Called one person from every house and then packed feast for home. After the notification of the ban on the collective feast, the Tehsildar saved the organizer from harm without breaking the administration's rule. They called one person from every house and packed the feast and sent it to their home. This decision of revenue officer has been a matter of discussion in the Bhatiyad area. Tree houses will attract tourists. Tourism businessmen of Banjar have devised tricks to woo the tourists. A tree house is being constructed to get tourists coming to Zibi, Tandi and the Kullu Valley from the natural beauty of dense forest. Tree houses are very much liked by the tourists. Guria's father said only God will do the justice now. Guria's father has reacted sharply, raising a number of questions after the criminal was convicted in the famous Guria rape and murder case. According to Guria's father, the CBI has broken his trust. Now only the God will judge it. He said that the poor should not be killed and the real culprit should be caught. Kullu Sadar police station topped in the state. Kullu police has come first in crime and criminal tracking network system. In the system, Kullu Sadar police station has been found topped in all police stations of the state. Kullu police has achieved this achievement on the basis of grading in the first quarter of 2021. The Kullu police caught a record of 127 kg of opium in Banjar last year. To get the English news in more details, please visit our website Diary Times. Till then, have a good day from Diary Times.